Now let's do set number 12, 5 items mathematics. Number 1, evaluate the expression absolute value of negative 14 plus negative 5. Itong bar na ito sa either side of negative 14, ibig sabihin yan ay absolute value. Ang sinabing absolute, ibig sabihin, positive lagi yan, wala siyang negative. Kasi distance yan away from 0. Distance away from 0. So, laging positive yan pag sinabing distance. Now, balikan natin. So, itong negative 14, absolute number of negative 14 is 14 plus negative 5. Since hindi sila magkapareho ng signs, so mag-minus tayo. 14 minus 5 and that is 9. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung alin ang mas malaking value. Yung 14 ang mas malaking value. Itong 14 considered man to na positive. So, positive 9 or 9. The answer is letter C. Number 2. The cost of a certain type of fruit is displayed in the following. Ito yung weight, ito naman yung cost. Pag 4 pounds, it is equals to 1 and 10 cents. Pag 5, 1 and 74. Based on the table, itong given na to, estimate the cost for 4 pounds and 8 ounces of the same type of fruit. 4 pounds. So, meron ka ng 1.1. Tapos, itong 8 ounces. Ang 1 pound is equals to 16 ounces. 8 lang naman yan. So, half. First, itong 1.74 minus 1.164. So, 0.64 ang difference nitong 4 at saka 5 pounds. So, ito yung equivalent ng 1 pound. Bali, half lang naman, ounces. So, 8 ounces, half. So, i-half natin itong 0.64 divided by 2. Ang half nito ay 32. So, bali, erase natin para klaro lang. Ang half ay 0.32. So, itong 0.32, i-add natin sa 4 pounds na equivalent ng 1.10. So, the answer is 1.42. Letter D. Again, para mas malinaw lang. Ito yung given. Ito na yung given. Ang 4 pounds, ito yung equivalent. Pag 5 pounds, ito naman yung equivalent. Tapos, based on the table dito sa given na ito, estimate the cost for 4 pounds and 8 ounces. Pag 4 pounds lang, meron ka ng 1.10. Yan ang 4 pounds. Itong 8 ounces, kuhanan mo ng difference ito kasi 1 pound ang difference niya. 5 minus 4, 1 pound. Ang difference dito is 0.64. Ang 8 pounds, ang 8 ounces pala to, half siya ng 1 pound. 1 pound kasi 16 ounces. So, half siya. I-divide mo lang siya ng 2. 0.64 divided by 2 is 0.32. Kaya yan ang i-add natin sa 1.10. 0.32 plus 1.1 or 1.10, this is the same, is equals to 1.42. The answer is letter D. Number 3. Larry buys 3 puppies at the Fury Friends kennel for a total cost of $70. 2 of the puppies are on sale for $15 apiece. How much does the third puppy cost? So, i-deduct lang natin itong 15 times 2 muna tayo. So, that is 30. And the answer is 40. Letter B. Use the picture below to answer question number 4. What were the total taxes collected for January, February, and April? So, ito yung January, February, and April. I-add lang natin siya. Si January, mga 35, 36, either 37 siguro or 38. Let's say 38,000 yan siya. Ito naman, si February ay mga 41 or 42. Let's say 42. O sige, mga 42,000. Ito namang si April, mga 25 or 26. Or 27. So, i-approximate natin yan. I-add lang natin. And this is 9, 17. Carry 1, 8, 10. So, mga 107,000 ang total. Sa choices, ito lang yung malapit. So, that means, ang answer dito ay letter C. Number 5. If Linda purchases an item that costs 30 or less, she will pay with cash. If Linda purchases an item that costs between 30 and 70, she will pay with check. If Linda purchases an item that costs 70 or greater, she will use a credit card. If Linda recently paid for a certain item using a check, which of the following statements could be true? Check ang ginamit niya. Kung check ang ginamit niya, dapat between 30 and 70. Pero kapag ang cost ay 70 or greater, credit card na i-check man. So, 70 between. So, less than 70, mga 69 below. And more than 30. A. The item cost 80. 30 to 70 man. Mali yan. If the item had cost 20 more, she would have paid with cash. Hindi rin. 30 to 70. If the item cost at least 70, if the cost is 70 or greater, 70, she will pay or she will use credit card. So, mali din yan. The item cost more than 25. Kaya 25 yan. Yan yung tamang sagot.